Have you ever wondered what makes popcorn go from a tiny hard kernel to a fluffy snack? Let's uncover the science behind this tasty transformation in just a minute. Popcorn kernels are no ordinary seeds. They have a tough outer shell called the pericarp. Inside, there's starch and a tiny droplet of water. Yes, every kernel has a little water trapped within. When you heat the kernel, the water inside turns into steam. The pressure builds up as the temperature rises to about 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. The hard shell traps the steam until pop. When the shell bursts, the starch inside expands and cools rapidly, creating that iconic fluffy shape we love to munch on. Did you know? Popcorn is the only type of corn that pops, thanks to its unique shell structure and water content. So, the next time you hear popcorn popping, you'll know it's a mini science experiment happening right in your kitchen. What other foods make you curious? Let us know in the comments.